Hi there, this is Rashid from Domilya Group. Thanks for watching. This is for tip for today. Here's the trick. If you move the towel bars from the wall, it doesn't matter what kind of towel bar, make sure you prime or you paint the first coat before you patch. Because if you patch against the drywall like this, it's gonna peel. It's not gonna stick very good. So make sure you paint it before you patch. That's the trick. After you paint, the paint's not gonna bubble. You don't have to paint it very good. You just touch it up like that. Then the plaster can stick, or primer. If you don't have primer, you can use same color and just do the touch-ups like that and do like this. Because when you paint it, the drywall, the papers, it doesn't hold the plaster. Like that. Okay, you're gonna give it 10 minutes or 15 minutes. After it dry, then you patch it. Now, the first coat is dry. Now we can patch it. When you patch, make sure you get a knife like this, just to hold the water and the plaster in it. And just go like that. Make sure it's mixed. Just mix it very good, like that. And go like this, like that. Once. See? That is all like that. You don't have to put like full drywall. There. Now, this is 20. This is powder. This is powder plaster. It's not a regular plaster. This plaster is dried in 20 minutes. So in 20 minutes you can sand it a little bit and give it a second coat. Then it's going to look very nice finish, and it dries fast, and you don't have to wait for 2 days. Stuff like this, you don't have to hire the contract for that. You can do it by yourself. This is Rashid from the Domilya Group.